Look at all this snow. The winter is finally here and I love it. Welcome to the video, it's Myro here and today I have something very special for you guys. Look at this. Boom! Papaya drink made by Full House Corporation. Now this is some kind of Asian soft drink and it's made with papaya fruit mixed with milk. And I think this is from Taiwan. I bought this from Asian market like half year ago and unfortunately it already expired like last summer. So this is like half year old, but I'm still gonna drink it. I'm gonna take the risk. So yeah, let's taste papaya drink. No carbonations. Smell? Ooh, I'm really surprised by the smell. Really sweet. Can't wait to taste it. The color is what you expect. It's milk mixed with papaya fruit, so it's this kind of color. I don't know what this color is, but very nice. Okay, let's drink it. This is really good. It's like sweet, but not too sweet, because it has some kind of milk mixed in it, so it's like neutralizing the flavor, so it's not too sweet. Yeah, I like this. Let's see what the ingredients are. So there's water, cane sugar, milk powder, then we have condensed milk and papaya juice, and then there's some chemicals that I don't understand. Yeah, made in Taiwan. It says right here, made in Taiwan. What else? It has a picture of milk in the front. It's nice. And the nutrient values, let's see. 8 sugars, so it's more healthy than like Coca-Cola, because Coca-Cola has like over 10 or even 12. I think that's purely from the papaya juice. Protein only 0.4. That's really surprising, because if it has milk, it should have more protein. So maybe the milk is not so large quantities in this. And calories 45. I don't know if it's good or not. I think it's normal. And almost no salt at all. Let's take the rest out. Like if you're in summer in the heat, this will refresh you, because the milk combined with papaya juice, it's not too sweet, it's perfect blend. This product is getting 9 out of 10. Thank you thank you Famous House Corporation for making this papaya drink. I think it's one of the first Taiwanese drinks I ever tasted and I like it. If I come to travel there someday, I will buy this more again. Thank you for watching this review and make sure to take more videos here and here. And yeah, see you guys next time. Goodbye. And go buy this drink if you find it in Asian markets. It's good.